Guys, something's seriously wrong with my cat. She keeps making all these weird noises, waking me up when I'm sleeping. I've had enough, honestly. Come on, let's go to the vet.
Felix, get out of the freezer. Come on, get out. Yeah, your feet are sticking to the bottom. Yeah, come on, don't lick it.
Fast as boy. Still fast as boy. Come get some.
Lose not my lightsaber.
Hi.
I spy 2 feet. Let's boop them and see what happens. Oh.
Why is it spicy?
For you, Little Uzi, a Rob Zombie poster.
You don't like it? Good soup.
Hey, what are you doing in here?
He's still purring.
Moses, you can't just knock stuff over.
MJ, you know you're not trapped in there, right?
I give you this piece of paper as a token of my love. She accepted it.
Here comes the boy.
I have one thing that nobody else can say they love beside me. I just finished taking a piss and then Boom, a rotisserie chicken.
No, stop. It's my turn. No, you can't play the bishop there. Hold on. No. What are you doing with your king? Stop.
Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen Rahman Rahim. Sister Lulu becoming a hijabi. MashaAllah, MashaAllah.
What do you have, huh? What makes that much noise? Oh my god, is it stuck in your mouth?
Didn't I just tell you no? No. Don't thump your tail at me.
I'm fast as fluff, boy. Still fast as fluff, boy.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Oh, friendly boy. Oh, so friendly and not intimidating at all. Oh, what a friendly boy. Oh.
What are you doing in my house? What are you doing in my house? I want waffle fry.
What are you guys doing here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. What are they doing here? Why did you bring them?
I'm talking to my friends. Mama, quit bothering me.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Do you have time to talk about our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ? Hey, don't run from the Lord. Where are you going?
¿Qué haces?
At first, I was like, feet, as a joke. But bro, I don't think it's a joke anymore. People been looking at me, I'm just like, what you looking at, stranger?
So I opened the door, and the bitch came out. She was like, "You won't get your ass right now!
I am under the water. Please help me."
Playing a game of whack here. Whack.
Whoa, she's flipping.
You know that feeling when someone interrupts you?
No. No. Are you seriously?
When all you have is the end piece of the bread.
Full Metal Alchemist. Full Metal Alchemist.
Does anybody else's cat like to just sit up and watch them cook? Or is it just ours? Yeah.
Drugs.
No, we're okay.
Drugs.
This is awkward. No, thank you.
Drugs.
Who invited?
Coming, young Harry. Your voice fills the blood. Listen, it's Harry Potter.
No, baby. No. We live in the hood. Them cats will tear your ass up. He is a house cat, and he think that he could go outside and go play with them ghetto outside cats. Baby, you vaccinated. I don't know what them cats got.